Hi, yes. Next topic data tab. They SAT. Option is SAT in MS Excel using formulas. How to open data tab? See here. Click data tab. They select the SAT. They select the SAT. What is SAT? Show the SAT dialog box to sort data based on several criteria at once. This is called a SAT. See here. This is a one student's marks list table. How to use the SAT in this table? These are all names of the students. These are all subjects of the students. This is the total. This is the grade. This is the result. How many members are failed and passed? How many members got A, got B, got C? Which is the best total in the highest total in the total marks in this all students? These are all subjects marks. What is the SAT? You know that first. What is the SAT? How to open? Again explain. Click data tab. There select SAT. SAT means already I am explained. Show the dialog box and to sort data based on several criteria at once. Now how to use it? First I am selected only students names. After I click on here A to Z sort. A to Z sort means what? Sort the selection so that the lowest value are at the top of the column. Which is the lowest value of the top of the column? A to Z. The sort is called alphabetical order A to Z. Click. One dialog box open. What is that? What do you want to do? It means expanded the section. Means in what is the sorted selection on your table, you clicking on the expanded the section, the whole table will be modified. No, only continue with the current section, only names only modified. The both the expand first continue with the current section. It means which is the first one, that will be top around A, B, C order wise. Now same will again selected I am. Click A to Z. Only expanded the selection. See here. Automatically series wise that will open. It means why are coming to students name on here. Order wise A, B, C, D, F, this sort A to Z. Na? That's why students names will be modified here. Next one. Z to A. It means what? The largest to smallest. This is means largest to smallest. Now again modified. Again same. Expanded the section means whole table will sorted. Continue with the current section is only selections column only sorted. This is the Z to A. Now again selected I am. Click the Z to A and expanded the section. See here. Otherwise expanded the section means Z to A. Z to A means what? Lowest to highest value to value in the top of the column. So Y, V, S, S. This means A is the alphabetic order. A is the down. Z value is the up. Okay. Now I am selected one Hindi subjects only. Marks only selected. Now click A to Z. Click A to Z. Continue with the current section only selected I am. Click Sort. Click Sort. again A to Z, continue with the current section. See, once here observe, selected the marks, any marks in there, any subject marks. After click only A to Z, expanded the section sorted. See here, this is the expanded to the whole table. Only continue with the current section means only that one will be modified. Understood? First sort. Next one, another one observed. Once you click the A to Z, continue with the current section, automatically change the total, automatically change the grade, automatically change the results also. See, observe. Here 94 is the down, 85 is the up. Middle one, all of you automatically change 1 to Z to A. Continue with the current section. Now see, the 404 in this down in the previous, now up. It means you selected the any marks and there automatically change the total and grade and results also. This is the sort second point. The next point is directly another one is there, A to Z, Z to A, understood. Next one, what is the sort? Click once sort, one dialog box came. Sort by, what is the sort by? This before you selected whole table, selected whole table. Selected after, you clicking sort. Here one dialog box came. What is that? Sort by. Sort by. I am selected sort only one subject. Will sort given to the order also. Automatically change the whole table. See here. Click. I am given here max only. What is that? Smallest to largest? No, largest to smallest. Click OK. See here. Observe here, 94 is the up. This otherwise came automatically, total changed, automatically another subjects also changed, results changed, grade also changed. Again practice. Another subject to take, English, small to largest. Click OK. Change or not? This is the useful of the sort. I am given only 12 students on here. You given to 200 students, anyone, you change easily in the using of sort. Okay viewers, this is the sort. Another video I am giving to the filter. Next video. Anyone first saw my channel, please click subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thank you.